Practice set 13. Find the LCM. Again we will be using factorization method, prime factorization method to find LCM, but instead of doing it separately, we will combine both this number as we seen in previous lecture, so that it will be easier to find LCM of 3 numbers, 4 numbers also. Yeah, so let's start. 12 and 15 we will find together. 12 and then 15. Again, the number which is common to both this number 12 and 15, which is the common divisor of 12 and 15, is the number 3. So I will write here number 3. 3 4s are 12 and then 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now 4 and 5. 4 and 5 do not have common divisor. When they don't have common divisor, we will write your factors one by one for each number. First, let's start with 4. So if I am doing for 4, I am writing here 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. When I am writing here for 4, I have to write your number 5 as it is. Why? Because 5 is not divisible by 2. That's why we have to write this number as it is. Now, this number here we got 1, so we have to skip this one and come here. 5 is still remaining, so I am taking here 5. 5 1s are 5. And this one will be carried down again. The way 5 is been carried down here, so this one will be also carried down here. Now here we got 1 1 for both the numbers. Therefore, LCM of 12 and 15 is this. These factors. 3 into 2 into 2 into 5, which is 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. Therefore, least common multiple of 12 and 15 is 60. This we have to multiply, this one. Okay. Let's go on to second one. Before that, let me tell you, if you want to do directly 4 1s are 4, we can do that, because basically we are using factorization. I won't be using your term prime factorization, because in few sums it is difficult to find prime factors, or like bigger number it is difficult to write prime numbers, because then sum will get lengthy. We know that there is no common divisor for both of these numbers, so directly we will end this. Okay, let's go to sum number 2. 6 8 10. Common of these 3 is 2. 2 3s are, 2 4s are and 2 5s are. Now 3 4 5. All these 3 doesn't have any of common divisor. So again we will take one by one. Let's start with 3. 3 1s are. Now this we got here 1, will stop. But we are not dividing 4 and 5. So I am writing here 4 and 5 as it is. Let's come on to 4. So I am writing here 4 1s are. We are carrying down 1 again, the way we carried 4 and 5 down. Now only 5 is remaining, so I am writing here 5. 5 1s are 5. See, now we got here 1 1 1, means our factorization is done. Therefore, LCM is 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Which is 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 5s are 120. Okay. Sum number 3. 18 and 32. Again, common divisor is 2. So 2 9s are and 2 16s are. Now 9 and 16 doesn't have any common divisor, means 9 is divisible by 3 and 16 is divisible by 2, 4 and 8. So let's divide 9 3 3s are I'm carrying down 16 and then 3 ones are. Now again, if we divide this 16 using prime numbers, it will be a lengthy one. So directly I'm writing here 16 ones are. Therefore LCM is 2 into 3 into 3 into 16. These numbers. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18 and 18 16s are. Again I am showing 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 multiplied by 16. Now bigger number. So in rough column we will do this multiplication. I am showing it here. You have to do in rough column. 6 8s are 48, 6 1s are 6 plus 1, 4, 10. 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1. 288. Our answer is 288. Sum number 4, 10, 15, 20. Common of these three are, common divisor of these three numbers are 5. 5 2s are, 5 3s are and 5 4s are. We can see that 2 and 4 have common divisor. So I am writing here 2. 2 1s are. 3 will be as it is because it is not divisible by 2 and 2 2s are. We got here 1. So we do not have to divide this 10 or we do not have to factorize this 10 further. Let's move ahead with 3. 3 1s are. 2 I am writing here as it is. Now only 2 is remaining. So 2 1s are. We got here 1. Therefore our LCM is 5 into 2 into 3 into 2, which is 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 2s are 60. Sum number 5 and sum number 6 is for homework. Let's see sum number 7, 105 and 195. First number is 5. 5 2s are 10 and 1, 21. Next number is 195. So 5 3s are 15. 4 carry 45. Remember this one? 5 3s are 15, but this is 19. So 4 is carried here. 4 and 5 becomes 45. So 5 9s are 45. 21 and 39. Common divisor is 3. 3 7s are and 3 13s are. Now 7 and 13 both are prime numbers. Therefore 7 1s are and then lastly 13 1s are. 13 1s are. Yes. Therefore LCM of 105 and 195 is 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 13. So 5 3 7 13. We have to multiply and write the answer here. Let's do this in working column. 5 3 7 13. 5 3s are 15. 15 into 7 into 30. So let's do this. 15 7s are. 7 5s are 35. 7s are 7. 105. 105 into 13. 13 5s are 65. 13 zeros are 0 plus 6. 13 1s are 30. Our answer is 1365. Next, sum number 8. 12, 15, 45. Common number is 3. 3 4s are 3 5s and 3 15s. We can see 5 and 15 have common numbers, so let's divide them. Let's factorize them. 4 will be as it is, 5 1s and 5 3s. Now we got 1 here, means we do not have to factorize 15 further. Yes, so let's factorize 3 first. 3. Now 4 and 1 will be as it is, 3 1s are 3. Last number is 4. So 4 1s are 4. Therefore LCM is 3 into 5 into 3 into 4. 3 5s are 15. 15 3s are 45. 45 4s are, let's check, 45 4s are. 4 5s are 20. 4 4s are 16. 18. So it is 180. Okay, this is LCM of these three numbers. Now sum number 9 and 10 again for homework.